Hello everyone, so in the previous video we have discussed about the Java 8 new feature of interfaces. That in the interfaces now default and static method will be introduced. So before Java 8 interface was only having one abstract method. Okay, for example here interface we have the vehicle and whosoever the class we are creating, right, who is implementing that vehicle interface should always implement that abstract method. Abstract method is the method which has no body, only the no written type, only void is there and just as abstract method name is there. Okay, so every class whoever is implementing that interfaces must implement that method and provide the body. But after the Java 8 there were more methods were included in the interfaces, that is default method and then the static method. So whenever a class is implementing that interface, so it is optional for the class to override the default method, and static method was used to add some helper messages. Now the question comes here, like why this change needed? Like Java 8 feature have included this default and static method because to support backward compatibility. For example, if you are having interface in Java with hundreds of implementations, so mean hundreds of classes are implementing that interface. Now we add a new method in the interface, example in the collection API. So now this will break this. Before Java 8 this will break all those classes because they must have implemented this new method. If we are introducing new method in a interface before Java 8, then all classes whoever are implementing must introduce this new method. But after Java 8 with default method you can add a new method with default behavior so that all implementation won't break. Example, Java 8 added for each method. Okay, this has it added in the interface, but it is added as a default method, so it is not required to implement this for each method. Now, so you got to understand why the default method has been introduced. Now, so why the static method were introduced in the interfaces? Because not all methods should be inherited. Some should just be utility methods. Like for example, the helper methods we say, right? These methods are utility because these tied to interface purpose only, not meant for overridden. Default method can be overridden, but static method cannot be overridden. So I hope you guys got the point of this video, like why this interfaces with the feature of default and static method is being introduced in Java 8. So if you like this video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.